Hey, Mia. Okay, if we start with the first one that you had. Basically, what it's wanting us to do is make that t the only exponent on the outside of the parentheses. So if I was doing power of a power right here, this would be 1/6 to the t power, because I multiply power of a power to get t over 6. Okay, so it wants to turn this into two exponents, and it wants us to slide the one exponent into the parentheses. So I have 5 times 1/4, good grief, 1/4 to the 1/6 to the t. And then I can take in my calculator 1/4 raised to the 1/6 power. And I have it entered like this. And we get 0.7937. So when I'm changing this to 1 plus or minus, it's less than 1, so it's going to be 1 minus. So now I just have to see, okay, what did I subtract from 1 to get 0.7937? So I can just take 1 minus 0.7937, and we get 0.2063. Still times 5 to the t power. Okay, and then it asked for, let me look. It would be decay because it's subtracting. The rewritten function is this, y is approximately. And then we already talked about it being decay. Okay, the other one, it's the same kind of idea. So it was 5e to the negative 0.7t. So we're going to write this as 5e to the negative 0.7 to the t. We have power of power, which would give us this if we backpedaled. Okay, so then on my calculator, I type in e to the negative 0.7. That looks like that on the calculator, which gives us 0.4966. Okay, so then it's decay because it's less than 1. So what did we subtract from 1 to get to 0.4966? So we take 1 minus 0.4966, which is 0.5034. Let's see what it's asking. So the function y is approximately this, the percent decrease. So if I was to write this as a percent, and it says round to the nearest tenth, so this would be 50.3%. Any more questions? Just let me know.